Hello everyone, and today I'm going to the part 2 of the last the model, today I'm going to do white paint and make the body a little bit more smoother and animate a little bit. And let's start. Blender 2.83 and then okay, screencast key and to hide. Now whatever I type or click on it, there it shows up here. And don't need these others, delete that. And then okay, it should be say don't save from it. Open the last one and then okay, I'm gonna move these delete all the keys and don't record anything, and Control RG, no, okay, select all, no, Control, I mean RG, what's going on? Oh no, it is. It's Control and RG and comes right back the beginning of the bone. Anyhow, let's say body make a little bit smoother or a little bit need change. I'm gonna, alright, not there. Object mode, click on it. I need to hide the one edge to hide the doesn't matter. Anyhow, those are already done. And object mode, show up the bone on the ground. Oh yeah, here. Select all, Control RG. Alright, I'm going too fast. Anyhow, yep. Yeah, this really does. It's okay. So now we weight paint. I don't do this kind of stuff. Or that one. Or this one, make it better. See, there's doesn't have that. anyhow, Control G, then usually, no, what I'm doing, oh yeah, come back into object mode and click on this body or object, and no white paint, and there go. Okay, now my bone's right there, so I gotta go up, and check. Yet, this one weird, and it didn't control it well, so too high, and make it see through. Come down and let the bone control own place. I mean, which it is. I mean, no, it's not which it is. It's not controlling yet. Right, a good one. Oh yeah, I should have done that a little bit better. And nothing to do with this one. You cannot control over there. Also really need to come down a little bit. There, up. Better one. Anyway. Okay, come on. Whatever. Whatever you like. A little bit. Okay, this much high from here. This is really control. I mean, big one, the highest level. Ouch, went too far. The wrong way, it's too far. Okay, other side up. I want to do that. Well, that's my bad. When you model, this need a little bit farther from each other, the legs. Look at this one. Check it. Too close from the other. No, I don't think I can do that. Just go with this way. And F, so you can make the brush smaller. Oh, goodness. There you go. Oh, no. Alright, now it's better. Okay, I'm gonna make that one go. And raise these or the other side of foot controls the other side. You gotta stay on your own territory. Control on territory. Oh no, not that one. My bad. Anyhow, I like this one. Before can't do that, but now I can change bones from here. I love it. Before I had to go back to the edit mode and change the bones from there. So it's really making me tired. See, that's what I'm talking about. This bone controls all over top. It's like taking huge space or territory or whatever. Yeah. Learning. Alright, let the weight paint. These ones can control that one. Bone controls the body. Bone controls the body object, and weight paint controls the bone. I can go that way. I don't know. My theory. That's not your business. Seriously, it's too high. You don't have anything to do with that. Still come down better. But this time not too much. Leave it some little bit there. So they don't come. We want, I guess. A little bit. Okay. And this one high level, highest level, highest level, right? And between then and second is yellow and green. This is the lower one. This only controls the really soft, little bit. The goodness thing is, I got awesome teachers. Yeah. Awesome teacher. Great teacher. Yeah, really, I learned from many teachers in YouTube and English, in English language. But a friend wanted me to speak in English. I mean, they like it, I don't know. So, try it then. Do it all the language. Someday we'll do it in Chinese. Chinese language. I don't know. Probably. Maybe not. Too much, then I think, what are you doing? What is the purpose of your doing? Purpose of your profession or something? I don't know. I just do or learn or doing whatever I like. That makes me really freedom. Feel free to learn everything or teach everything. How about that? Whatever got. So I don't want to control. I don't. The most we're thinking it's people control it. No, we control ourselves. We shouldn't just let ourselves free. Other people doesn't really, even your family can't be all the time there. But you, yourself, is all the time there. So, free from self is the important than anything in something like that. Anyway, done that one, and oh my goodness, football controls. They're really bad. Wow, you are so taking big space there. Okay, now I'm done with this weight bench and all of them. Where? Oh no, I didn't push it. Anyhow, now go back to the object mode and set this body make just satisfied. So satisfaction surface. Anyway, made it smooth, and then go to here, make it more smooth. There you go, and now go to object mode and check out. See, so much smoother and moving better, and that's it. And it's fine. Okay, let's make this animate. And I don't think I'm gonna have this one. So go back to object mode and delete that one. And Shift A, I'm gonna add a cube. No, what I'm doing. And then come to edit mode and click on face. Then delete this face. 1, 2 of them. And come back to object mode again. And up. And this much is fine. Okay. Where I wanna put it? On the top. Yeah. There you go. Turn this way. And this way. I guess this was fine. Okay, that's it. Ouch. Weird. Okay, now I got the sort of house. And okay, I'm gonna add one more cube and make him sit down. Make him or her, I don't know yet. Sit in there. There. And Shift D. Make another one, so he's talking to his friend or something. Here. One more. Looks like a chair or something. Deco. Oh yeah, I don't think I made this in Tibet language, so gotta make it sane. Well. Make it a little bit lower. And okay, now go to the edit mode again. Make this, no, not that one, edit mode. Take the house to edit mode. And select the ground, the floor. And make the floor color into what kind of no floor color look more like this way is better. That's it really. And then top. New one. It's a little bit blue. Pretty light. And these two. Add more. And that's it. There you go. Ouch. Oh no. I don't think I signed. design, and go back to object mode and go to here. Hopefully, yeah. Yep, no, those colors are showing up. And human body, make it ouch. Green. Weird. Doesn't matter. Whatever I like. No, I got it, that one. Finally. Anywho, head color go with the skin color, I guess. Okay. And the chair, make that's fine. That's it. Now we animate this one. Sitting down and sort of talking. What's wrong? Why doesn't show? Yeah, that's silly. What is it? It's the wall, floor. Go back to object mode. Maybe. Oh, no, I got it. The shadow made that, so it's okay. And I can do it with the go and edge hide. No, I need the other chair. Hide. Don't need this one, but let me get rid of it. Or later, I gotta copy this character. So, okay, not yet. Go to here, and first things first. And this was looking this way, and this way, something. This way. Maybe back in his chair or something. Okay, that's it. And oh no, seriously? There you go. Delete that key I left from last time. And I rotation location and record that one, so I don't have to always click on oh no, my key. Oh my goodness, last time I did that. Sorry. And oh yeah, yes, it already did record it. And then come to the far. Oh no. this way. Oh, yeah, probably this way. This way. And a little bit this way. And come by. I always do this mistake. The old style. And more go up, down, up, down, flat, goes there, and wanna make it's perfect. Now come on the floor. There you go. And come by the 15 and more up and up and here. No. Down. Hopefully don't move like a robot. There. There. There's. No. Move it really 100% straight ahead, or later gonna be a problem with it. Move it on to weird one. And a little bit more. That way. That way. That way. Okay. That way. Then A and come down there. Now I think it's perfect. Anyhow, and there you go, top, and he looks back to him, right on his face. I mean, anyhow, let's take it this way, saying something, and his hands, big foot, little bit, and they come by. There you go. Okay, now go back. And then where am I guess not yet from there. It's like that is better. And okay. Down the foot. And okay. Go back to object mode. And then move this one here or somewhere. Let's see. Ouch. Well, it's supposed to become here. That's better idea. Ouch. No way. Need to move this case. But it's not there. Yep. I moved it. Done it. So I'm gonna move back where I was. The foot. Red cursor. And oh no. Yeah. That's fine. Let's move. A little bit there. And a little bit there. Oh no. This time this much is fine. And just slide it away. You can't slide away, please. You are not on the ice. Okay. That's fine now. And no. And this way and that way. And then somehow like that. Little bit move everything. Just not look like robots. That's more than enough for me. It's not like it. And come back a little bit. Okay. And here and up and go down and put more foot, move a little bit. It's more like more like man sitting. It's look more like girl sitting. So anyhow, go back and Alt H. Oh no. Oh, my bad. Go back to object mode. Then Alt H is. Oh, my bad. So I'm gonna find a house again. But I need to copy it. Copy all. So one character make two. Shift A and there we go. Ouch. What? It's supposed to be not connected. That's weird. Okay, then. Oh yeah, maybe. That's my bad. I should remove only the bonds. Undo. I'm so good at it. With undo. 0. Anyhow. Shift D, copy, and leave it there. And click on only bone, so that's can I move this way really well. Wow. No. That's fine. Anyhow, now I have to turn his head that way, on this side. Ouch. It's fine. And a little more hands. And shut down this one. Yeah. Listening or not? Are you listening to me? Sounds like mom. Okay. Now, sit down. Okay, that's it. Easy peasy and great. I love it. Lovely. Okay, go to project, show up that one. And here, go, ouch. Anyhow, well, that's my bad. Back to 0. No, not you, you. inch. And light is circle. Oh no, I recorded it. Darn it. And then I'm gonna add here light. What kind of light? Windy light. Down there. Right in the middle. Oops. Okay, now what happened? I don't get it. Anyway. I think that's it. And the light is really almost not there. Sunlight? No. How about my shadow? Shadow, oh, what does it matter? I guess that's better. High level. Okay. What is going on? Okay. Then another light. Probably needs some. Let's go. Oh yeah, who doesn't have this one? I have no idea where. Okay, I need to find out that one. Huge. See through from here is better. Okay. Okay, that's fine. That's so long. Okay, leave it. Oh no. Oh yeah. The light is okay. I'm not sure so. How about don't make that one? No shadow or anything. Okay. Now put the camera there. Go to EV. Already I am. And there you go. it. Oh my goodness, I'm down. Oh, wow. Okay, guys, see you next time, and have a great day.